Outburst means a sudden release of strong emotion, especially anger. Example: his outburst during the meeting surprised everyone. Misbehave means to behave badly or inappropriately. Example: the teacher had to discipline the students who misbehaved during class. Dilemma means a situation where a difficult choice has to be made between two or more alternatives. Example: she faced a dilemma when choosing between two job offers. Haggle means to argue or negotiate over the price of something. Example: she haggled with the vendor over the price of the souvenirs. Chuckle means to laugh quietly or softly. Example: he couldn't help but chuckle at the funny joke. Rattle means to make a rapid, sharp sound or to disturb someone's confidence. Example: the coins rattled inside the box. Stumble means to trip or lose balance while walking or to make a mistake in speaking. Example: he stumbled over a rock on the path. Uneasy means feeling anxious, worried, or uncomfortable. Example: she felt uneasy while waiting for the exam results. Butter up is an informal phrase meaning to flatter someone excessively to gain favor. Example: he's always trying to butter up the boss for a promotion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.